I got inspiration from every aspect of my life, what I see, what I hear, what I touch and use. Something passing through my life will be put in my collection box, and something will be stored in my brain. I can organize my real collection in order, but my mind collection is hard to be organized because they are twisted, blurring, even inaccurate. I try to grab the abstract things in my head and transfer them to the real world when I'm making collage. When I was working on my research paper, I found that abstract art shows higher ability to present reality than real object in the real world. Because if you want to give feelings and emotions a particular shape, they will not be described as anything you see with the naked eye that has a well-defined shape. I chose 3 words for my practice. I research art of Armand, Doreen, and Diane to explore visible and invisible reality from mixed media art and abstract art made by mundane object. Reality is something from real object we directly received by naked eye, like the candy paper, bubble film, nail polish, eyeshadow. They are reality. Something real exists in the world. Sometimes it's hard to find something when you just pay attention to one single thing. When I look at this piece's work a few months after I finished it, I couldn't remember this little plastic thing at all. Then I noticed this small cut. I knew this pattern came from the eyeshadow packaging. I could also remember I bought this brown eyeshadow on Boxing Day. So at this moment, I remembered that I bought a camera memory card on Boxing Day. This is a small card box. Sometimes facts need some conditions to make it appear. Everything in the world is very difficult, completely independent. They are always difficult to escape the fact that they will be linked to their surroundings. When our eye receives the surroundings, something will remain in the brain, some will fade and disappear, even change. However, some things that we can't see, like emotions and feelings, can be stored in the mind relatively accurately. The experience of making work is like trying to enter my mind with a piece of evidence from the real world and then pick out all its association like related events or emotions and feelings. So in fact, the meaning I present is controlled by my subjectivity. I will choose whether to show or hide according to my wishes. In this case, the audience is likely to be guided by my perspective. As audience, they are likely to be influenced by artists when they try to understand the work, but in fact, their personal perspective has a strong presence. No matter you're an artist or an audience, the existing perspective of seeing things is formed by your own personal experience. When facing with the same objective themes, differences will show up. Personal perspectives can easily lack objectivity, but the limitation of an individual may reflect the limitations of a certain growth environment. Personal experience is objective. personal perspective due to personal experience actually reflect the truth in some degree. Reality sometimes looks touchable, but sometimes it is just a quick flashing in mind. It is too fast to catch. Although this kind of feelings it rushes all the time. Artists can do an impression of feelings and emotions in their art every time when they are able to catch it.